Hello students, welcome to class 5 revision session lesson number 9 once again. Dear students, unit test is approaching very fast and please start reading at home attentively. It is very good if you read the all lessons very well. Let us see in lesson number 9. In lesson number 9, we have to understand the very important basic points of a soil. Dear students, in this lesson, if we sieve the soil, if we filter the soil, lump of soil we are taking, then what is coming out that we have to see. Then when we are sieving more and more, then fine particles are always coming down and pebbles and everything is remaining up. After sieving, we have some activities through the cotton piece, through the sieve, and some things are left on it and we have to observe it, components, what is remaining. We have seen many components remaining on the top after sieving soil with the different sieve size. I have already shared the answer with you. Then when we are putting the one lump of soil into a plastic bag, the humidity comes out, water comes out from it, that we have to observe it. Why the water is coming out? Because soil have a humidity in it, soil is containing water. That is very important to understand this activity. And when we put one lump of soil into the glass, the bubbles are transparent glass, lump of bubbles are coming out from the soil, which is air particle. So soil is using water, air and sunlight to make the crops properly developed. That is the scientific observation. We have to observe in it. Next one, which organisms are found in the soil? Dead bodies, leaves, feathers, waste, small microorganisms, everything is made up of a soil. And soil is containing this everything. Then this living components and non-living components, sand, stone, clay, etc. also there. And then afterwards we have divided this into a biotic components and abiotic components. Marble, coal, graphite, diamond, gypsum, calcium, petroleum, etc. are also obtained from the soil. Metals also obtained from the soil in different digging. Then afterwards this table information based on color of soil, amount of pebble, amount of soil, amount of clay, amount of loam, amount of organic matter. After analyzing everything, we have to divide into the 3 points: sandy, clayey and loamy soil. I have given a ready-made PDF of it. Please go through it very carefully and tick your answer. So basic points I have given to you. Don't forget to learn these points because it is very important when you are learning this, and it is important for the exam also. Then afterwards, type of soil basis on the color, sandy, clay and alluvial, different types of soils, question and answer I have also shared with you. Then which soil having more fertility, that is also important. Please study well at home and write down your observation. Then sandy, clay and alluvial soils filtration method is given. Afterwards, fast, medium and low flow of water, level of water and amount of water activity is also given. Learn it properly, whatever PDF I have shared with you. This is a revision lecture, so we will furthermore continue for next session. Till that I remain. Thank you.